So my people, me have some things I go share with you know, cause this never ending war between Dyema and Khandy. You know what I mean? It escalate my people. So Dyema have some more things to say about Khandy. I think she up on the live with Raja. Yeah, Raja and one at a time she up on the live with I think the Lion Man and Blamdem. You see me? Nicki Minaj even pull up on Dyema and drop some lion on her. You see it? Maybe Nicki Minaj see how she a defend the thing and decide to come bless her up. You see me? So Khandy respond to Dyema, and I'm going to share that with Uno also. You see me? And the people, as me said, these social media war and them something there, me just take it with a grain of salt. You see me I say? Because me just have it as entertainment. That I just miss still in my opinion. Right? Say them not really a beef, them just entertain the people them. You see me? Because drama sell. We all know that. You see me? So I go share with you know where Dyema officer, where the Lion Man officer, you know what I mean, where Raja officer also, and where Khandy have to come back come say, and maybe add other things as we go on, so we're gonna kick it off, you know.
I was trying to boy fuck your Khandy. So the whole blood clot Khandy. Me coulda grudge of a man, me coulda grudge of a man Khandy. Wet up crutches Khandy no come on me about grudge for man. Khandy you out than a blood clot, you rather hate you hate me. Khandy you hate me a bad mind me till I run go do body. You hate me a bad mind me a grudge me no blood clot, and the all man a give you a beating for your 22-year-old. Khandy move your blues action, blood clot and go. You out than a pussy hole, Khandy you owe you. Khandy remember fuck yourself. I blues your blood clot. Me coulda hate her for which donor. Oh, me coulda hate her with blood clot donor. Khandy alright man, but can't walk with her yet. Donor up to today donor now blood clot own you. Donor the fan a duck you. I alone a own donor. Khandy a fly. Your face in a blood clot but hate for donor. Hate for which donor? Hate me for all my blood clot look girl. Girl you walk out hate me for nothing at all. Hate me till you go wrong do your body. Remember you cuss me one time and tell me so we have to do body for look good. I know you have to go but blood clot do baby like all this thing. Khandy from me born out of my mother hold me shape blood clot good. Move your little long time fuck out blood clot. Khandy the fuck for your idea blood clot knee. Thank God for TikTok Khandy. Khandy move your blues clues blood clot and go your face in over. Who want down ya? You bright no blood clot. Khandy you alone a own down ya. Are you alone at one down ya? Cause down the fuck up and whop ya kill feel come back and kill blood clot whop it dirty Khandy. And now own ya. Thanks anybody who send me that. Down the fuck ya now own ya. Down the fuck ya now own ya. Everything going from down your face down your shift ya.
Uno go and go give Dyema. Uno go and go give Dyema. Go and go give her. Dyema forget pay. What are you for?
Come let me feel every minute you walk is down a twisty blood clot face. Your sister don't want to rate you alone rate blood. Your sister don't want to rate you alone rate blood. No, me no want talk some blood clot things, you know. I don't want to do nothing, no want talk so if Khandy you alone want blood clot.
You no go and give Khandy paper. You no go and go give Khandy paper.
Me no want talk some something, you know. Cause I just don't know this, but me no want talk some something. Khandy you out there no blood clot. Khandy any boy me want me get. Who told us I want donor? Donor look better than Willie. No time a blood clot all. You out there and face in a blood clot. Donor not even pedigree like my blood clot rasta. Your face like our egg y'all. A who the man? Khandy no man want to know? No man want to know. I buy you no buy fuck. Man want to know. You out there on a blood clot. For what you kill you almost 2 years or 1 year now you don't know on the internet. And don't still at this one your blood clot. I alone a cry for donor. Everything you put your face against donor shift in blood clot face. Khandy you owe you. Khandy you hate me for my whole body. You hate me to me half age and me look good. You never stop till you go do body. Move your ready eye blood clot. Dirty blues clothes.
Time to go do it both.
Khandy because you're young. You're like in your whole soddy. Move your sod seal hole no blood clot and go. You all in your hole around like a milk river bath. Dirty Khandy no see big deal where you take. From me bar me never take a plastic yet. And no boy never throw shit over me head and foot a blood clot. Any boy me there will walk with me and have a post blood clot me. No boy never hide and fuck me yet up until today the boy can't own you. But look for you too. I know son have nice blood clot face. Go Khandy your whole mad blood clot family. I'm moving to eat out the Oscar, eat out the garbage pan blood clot. Go arms house, all house, mad house. Your face in a blood clot. Can you know something about me? What you know about me? You don't know nothing about blood clot. Me more than you can tell me say. Yeah, Jesus! Nicki Minaj know your girl. Nicki Minaj know your girl at this about you. Nicki Minaj know your girl. Nicki Minaj know you at this about you. Nicki Minaj know you fuck out Khandy. Nicki Minaj know you Khandy. At this about you Khandy. Nicki Minaj don't know you. Girl, you have name. Girl, you have somebody. Girl, you have somebody, girl. At this about you. Nicki Minaj don't know you dirty Khandy. Move your blood clot and go Khandy. You
One Nicki Minaj.
bad mind and kill a dirty girl.
Bad mind for.
And this same bad mind we for. Dirty girl, Nicki Minaj know you.
Be a liar,
Minaj know you, dirty girl. And this a hurt of your head, Khandy. Khandy, and this a burn you. Yeah, you sure. Dirty little girl. Dirty little girl, why you eat me for? Why you eat me for, little girl? Little girl, my breast stiff in my chest. Or why you eat me for, little girl, and you eat me? Every time you come about me, I look good, barbz. Sure, me want done a little fuck out there, eh? And this is a lie me for. Nicki Minaj know you Khandy. Khandy, you have name. Shit pit. Toilet house. You have name. Nicki Minaj know you dirty girl. And this a hurt up your head, girl. Girl, and this a bust up your head, girl. And this a bust up your skull, girl. Nicki Minaj know you dirty Khandy. Fuck out. Sure.
Nicki Minaj, dirty bad mind.
Dirty girl, bad mind, girl. Nicki Minaj know you. Girl, you not gonna reach nowhere. You coulda do 100, but your heart no clean.
And he pussy dirty.
You go like you somebody dirty girl, like you come about me. Dirty girl, like you come about me. Young girl, like you in your body like a stud seal blank.
Hey people, may I look on this, you know, how Nicki Minaj is a person who have millions of dollars. She can buy almost anything where she want, go anywhere she want go. And for her entertainment, she got the Jamaican TikToker them and gift them. Yo, me not lie still, you know, whether I don't want to look on it as a negative way with the cussing and all them something there. Jamaicans, we are some different type of people still, you know. Because people from nowhere just love it how we act, talk. You know what I mean? But some of them don't like when not a bit, you see me? But me have to big up Nicki Minaj, you know what I mean? Because she see the talent, although someone don't look at it as talent, but if you stand up in front of phone, you know, my people, and I cuss on them something, you know, and not easy something, you know, me I tell you that, you know, that I know not easy something. So them talented, and me personally, my opinion, the whole of them my friend then just a cuss for entertainment. Let me know what I think we're going to watch some more people.
From old girl, outside of the blood clot. Yeah, somebody girl, but me bad mind if you down ya.
Yo, I got Dyema, that whole nigga man. Big up
myself, my boss.
I got that yellow pedal, that
Nicki Minaj, one barbz. I eat a earth from
Nicki Minaj.
Khandy, you too ready now go reach now. You go cancel yourself, fuck out, little girl. You know, you have to pay for your body and no name. You have to pay for your body and no name. Nobody don't know you. Or you want to size up with all girl with look good body. You run good to your body. After you talk or your shape good. All the dirty fuck out, Khandy. Khandy, you see the tube where you have in your so go take it pushing in your mouth and go so gap. That's if you go do dirty fuck out, girl. Nicki Minaj know you. You don't have nobody know you. Kartel don't know you. Nicki Minaj don't know you. You don't have no name. You just fuck out. Move your blues clothes, blood clot, and with dirty blues clothes.
Dirty bad mind. Bro, watch it out. Dyema, me say. Funny woman, bad mind. But
me say the girl bad mind, but Blamdem, the girl no buy BMW, nobody bad mind her. Aye, too red, nobody no forget. She come on TikTok, who is Khandy? Khandy was a dirty fuck out, little self-fuck girl. We come by your company for Khandy feel like they reach. Khandy, you don't reach now because you only have a verse, a song about SINCLG. You don't have a second verse. Khandy, who you man? Star moon.
Nicki Minaj sing that song with him.
Khandy, you have name, nobody know you dirty girl. But how much? Me bad man.
Nicki Minaj sing that song with him.
Which one Donia, who should I don't have a bad mind for? Eh? You say I don't have girl because of the angle you girl. Can you the quarrel over Donia? And Donia now blood clot on you. Donia the fuck you and hide you. No boy can't throw shit on my face and fuck me. Any boy that fuck me have to own me, have to walk with me and no sound nice. Remember the last time you cost me so we have to go to body if you look good. But yes, you run down the body, yeah, red. Yeah, red little girl. The little girl yeah red car can hear the fuck for you too. And you still reach nowhere. You don't earn nothing. We must glad for TikTok for go like you are somebody. Can you have blood clot somebody? We celebrity know you. Nicki Minaj know you no time at all. It a mad you. It a mad you. It a mad you. Are you alone one alone one? Are you alone one? Are you better for you want dona cause dona no want you? I walk on look man not done for me. Me have man for days, me have boy line up in my DM. Me have boy line up back me like a harbor shark. Can you need to go clean out our house? Can you little and nasty like a dog? No boy never throw shit over my head and fuck me yet. And any boy fuck me if walk with me and own me.
Man, now in case alone, we don't take him down already.
I done Blamdem. Me look dirty girl too feisty. Yeah, too red. Nobody no know her. Kartel no know her. Nicki Minaj no know her. Every time nobody get a forward, he bun her. He bun her. She no get BMW already. She can't satisfy her eye. Blood clot red. Can the people clean out the hands out them for under blood clot crutches? Can you go clean out your dirty house? Go clean out your house, clean out your hole. Go learn to wash your pussy good. In your hole, study like a military babat.
True.
Can you not a secret family girl? You fuck with your idea blood clot. Can you take the biggest deal of them in your hole? The biggest of the blackest cut them in your hole. You know, sister blood clot down and shame of you. And all them down the fuck you still a hide you. True. Out of no blood clot. Can you go and go cover down your blood clot hole? Because every day you see your hole tight and you tell yourself so. A boy never tell us your hole tight yet, Khandy. Khandy the all the time trim you when them battery you. Move your dirty blood clot. Khandy you eat me for my looks and my shape. Khandy, my breast stiff in my chest, Khandy. Khandy them you juju sweetie. Gummy beer. No boss me blood clot jack. Khandy go with your flip flop behind you 22 blood clot ear hole.
It looks.
Okay.
Bright, she bright. Dirty blood clot, fat neck Khandy.
You don't want to look Jayden. Jayden, me don't want to look so no see. You know so I look cleaner. I be a gobble. Every day I should have gobble and no Thanksgiving like a turkey. Me don't want to look Jayden. Me not look looks. No want to look Jayden, you know cute. What's that? Jayden, you know cute. You still get girl. Khandy not even know an HP pack. I probably lost a backbench. Khandy cuss every day so that nobody I hate. Khandy look old, Khandy look bigger, done out and fuck out and beat out. Khandy if you went to your beat out, blood clot. Khandy
not only look revolt.
Khandy revolt. Khandy go with a dollar breast, a dollar tree breast, a fling so. But you gonna do BBL and life up. You better blood clot do a breast lift to girl. And every day you talk to your old good and no boy no tell you talk about it. Khandy man want to know. All the time 3 boy fuck now want to get battery. Move your dirty blood clot and go you out of the like our Khandy and who you. Khandy go clean out your closet. Go learn to put your bed. Go fix your kitchen and wipe your floor. Dirty girl. Go learn to keep blood clot, man. Go learn to keep, man. Cause for what you kill feel like you alone and one down and blood clot on you. Everything you put your face gets down, twist it sideways. And you alone a customer down, you alone want blood clot down. Man, don't buy it, you see. You pay me father come use, you go and use your blood clot come like a swing song.
Yes.
Until nobody want you in cut. You're out there and blood clot. Nobody don't want to see you. No superstar don't know you. Your cause cartel trying to get invite for a show. You go to sexy walk. Move your blood clot, you grab it with sexy walk. Your cause Nicki Minaj, you don't get no lion. Nobody don't know you that big noise. You get a BMW, you get.
No man, me know say Dyema could have cussed people, but me never know say Dyema so terrible. Dyema Dyema deal with Khandy, who wicked still, you know. Me nah lie, that one ya gone. You see me? Might even better than Rosealee cussing. Yeah, know people tell me what they think. And we are going to hear what Khandy have to say back. You know what I mean? So, make it watch so much. Yeah, I know that I'm a bad.
So what? Go and go sit down. You know, no name, you have to pay for your body. Everything we get have it free, we have name. Khandy, you can't size up against me, Khandy. Khandy, you fuck for your idea, blood clot me. And you don't have nothing for sure. Look how nasty creep up Marble girl. Move your creep up back your naked pant back your blood clot. Pant back of labor. Can you move your naked river stone blood clot? I want you to stop put on two piece of shall gun. Can you have somebody? The body way dirty girl.
Add somebody else, Jayden.
Yes. Remember, so she usually sort of the font only. That would have to.
Blues close the girl. Blues close. Blues the blood clot girl. Blues bossar.
Bro, me have one video with that push up on big or long dildo.
From the bottom to the mama, me never push a dildo in my truck.
I saw dildo big people.
Tell the biggest blackest dildo.
One big old dildo girl up in that wall.
Can you move her blues?
They wonder how you want to crash it. I remote the girl up in that crash it.
Yeah, she put remote in her, yeah.
Remote dildo everything.
Candy from the bottom to my mama, Candy from the bottom to my mother, me look good, Candy. Candy, your face only stand security for your dirty blood clot body, Candy. Candy, no man know why you be secret down with. Candy, no boy now post you. No boy now walk with you, Candy.
Yeah.
Candy, move for yourself. Candy, every cock in a blood clot Jamaica know about your jawbone.
Yes, true.
Oh, God, I'm facing. Which boy go own a girl? When the hot blues blood clot clothes and every cock in a then jawbone. Hey, Candy, you a fool, Candy. Candy, you a fool. Candy, when you skin out your blood clot pussy under your favor, the river mouth in a flat bridge, yes, sir.
Yes.
With the water under your suddy like your blood clot sick. Me no know who a trick you. I mean, no know who a fool a dirty Candy. Oh, the body no wire you. You know, so that anything you baby father broken can link you.
Yes.
Move your out and up. Move your back up on your dirty big old dirty Candy. Dirty squasher bank pussy Candy. Where every blood clot man in the line up in your pussy blood clot.
That's my dear Jayden.
Money. You out and move your squasher bank. Hey Candy, take a map man and go map out your big squasher bank. Out no one down there. Hey, little girl, you hate me. And you always come about me, you hate me and grudge me no blood clot. You grudge me, then if me no cute, you grudge me so. And if me a 43, you grudge me so. Who am I young dirty girl? What would happen to you? You that drop blood clot dead. Book him. You that boy for superstar, no, you no superstar, no blood clot, no, you Candy. Candy go back on your rock and Nancy blood clot web. Couldn't me come out dirty fuck out little girl. I couldn't me come out fuck out little girl. Cause, hey, man, yes, your man fuck una do no. Eh? You kin out big kin out up on the bed, man, fuck una does a shoot cocking on the moon. Every black Jamaica know your jawbone. I wish boy you think go take up your wife, yo. Everything you gonna do in a face, don't turn when blood clotted. I don't have you do I use if you get fame and fat, yo.
Don't I use him for clout?
That's why I don't have him I use him for blood clot though. Every minute he want to shoot up his face a donor. How long no she own donor can't own her?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. She want to cuss of a donor. A donor now own her. Every time a 40 days and 40 blood clot now, can you come trouble me? Can you get a straw and come rest your mouth in your stuff? And come juice like a beetroot juice, dirty girl. Every girl you talk about you know old good and my man not tell you no. Outer than a blood clot. This bag bad. This little dirty little young girl jazz mind. We talk about him mama Christian. And it look like the whole of them are fuck each other. They a whole house of mad blood clot family. Hey girl, go suck your mama and go on a Bellevue all of you know.
Dyema.
No.
Remember say down and never kiss her yet, you know.
You know, hear me just tell us every time we go near down a jar in face. And now listen.
Oh.
The boss tell you.
Yeah, me no want no help, you know, come in the bus so me don't plate them, you know. Me no want no help, no, me no want no help, Jayden. Can no boy and no girl and no secret for me. All the thing they go tell me some help you really liar blood clot fee. That's all them can't tell me nothing more. Because remember say, you know, we live in a house with the woman and me make girl forget man and lock him up. Remember no me pussy in my prison. It's me them lock him up because a good old me walk with. Dirty stinking girl. You're out there and no blood clot. No boy ever stop with you. No boy ever hide me. Anyway, if any boy pass for show me and have to own me. And any cookie jar me dip in, any boy I want me get you out there. I pay a crowd full up over here, sir, you know. Who this a woman here? Woman a who you? Leave, lady, leave. This is not your segment, leave. Cuss me. One time I tell me I'm in prison. And we have to do body if you look good. All this time the girl when they eat up on my body and one go do body. One go do body, I don't know if you do body. One go do body, you say have me man, instead of pay for doing blood clot body, yeah, red little girl. I just see your son. Yeah, somehow now come chat up on the mouth, but me hear the girl. Why come if you stay from here, the girl? And the girl hear me long time, Jayden. Me and the girl play cussing game one day. The girl go cuss me man at prison. A long time she hate me. And I tell me if you go suck on my mama, a long time the girl hate me. And the girl chat to me through chat, see, me not play hypocrite. Me not play hypocrite. But me checking me come me. What me do it? Khandy me a forever 21 and blood clot under me go Khandy. Don't know in my age group a blood clot. Forever 21 and under no blood clot me go. Oh. A pedigree me blood clot go. Me no go mongrel. Forever 21 and under me go. Don't know in my age group a blood clot. You're out harder. I'm feisty. I'm bright. Then if me could have want, then if me really want donor no Khandy, you could have sweet my foot off a ground. All comes. Don't donor not own you. Almost 1 year now you the own donor not own you. Everything you put a face side of blood clot donor shift you. Khandy no man now go own you cause you come bucket. A wish boy go own one blood clot girl when they have blues clues and walk with them. Who go own you? No boy now own you. Only the boy when you do walk and clean them blood clot rifle.
True.
I wish boy go take up you now and go bust out a kiss in a face now. Wish boy go bust out for your tongue now. When any boy bust out your tongue, bust out, be a cocky. Any boy bust out your tongue, I'm ask eat and them there. Strictly licky but no blood clad. Any boy bust out for your tongue, bust out the whole of the boy them key.
You not do it silly enough. Cause me love hype.
Like Donia.
Jayden, let me do anything. Your arms out. Me not talk to you. Go on, man.
You see, let me tell you, if I go to a party, bro, I see your Khandy review the party, me I say, you know, so Khandy not like Dyema. Khandy not like Dyema at all, you know.
But Jayden, I know me make them. I know me make when I see them in a real life, they look older. When I see me in a real life, they look younger than the camera screen.
For real, when me see Dyema in a real life, Dyema look nice as fuck.
I know me make me look younger in a real life.
You look younger than her. I mean, you brush your 40 soon.
I know brush my 40s. Next month, the 26th, me a 44-year-old.
Jesus!
Bomba, for sure. I look so good.
Blamdem, I would eat her.
She eat
hey, boy,
me.
I'm going to tell her with the eating argument.
Yes, so Jayden.
Boy, I'm going to tell her with the eating
argument. All right.
Allow the man alone. And she hate me. Every time she come about me and throw what about me and me answer the people what talk about me hate her. I mean the people go chat, yeah, what they go chat say. How much me hate girl can girl earn? What girl earn? Car? You can't live in a blood clot car. You can't live in a car. You don't know what me have? No, when me blood clot have no true me no pussy.
One thing me know with Dyema. No man never left Dyema yet. A Dyema always run them.
No boy never left.
Alright, Blamdem. Out of Dyema or Khandy, which one you would have take? Which one would you take? Me personally, would have to go with Dyema. Cause Dyema a big woman, me a big man. Yes, what me I say. Khandy a young girl. Khandy not ready to settle down yet. But tell me in the comment section, which one of them would you want? You see me? Dyema can cook on them something there. Some would have prefer that. A big woman who can angle her thing. Me don't know about Khandy. Me know say Khandy have a big body. That's all. You see me? And she's a go-getter too. We make things happen. But would I go with Dyema? Type and tell me who I go with. Make her watch some more.
Dyema always around them. One thing
I mean,
about Dyema.
I mean, what left boy? As a boy slipping blood clot slide me gone.
That's a one thing you know with Dyema. No
I mean, I'm not talking about how much. Because me eat girl, girl. One know what me earn. One blood clot know what me earn. See me nice blood clot.
Dyema build house.
Things you don't want me show. Things you don't want me show no things pussy wall. Cause things you don't want see. So me show no things.
Yeah.
Things you don't want blood clot see things.
Like me want see.
You don't want see things. So me show no things. Since you don't want blood clot see things. Since you don't want blood clot see things. I'm a nice bumbo clot house yeah. Since you don't want see things. What do you know about me since you don't want see things? Since you don't want me be some blood clot get there. Actually me not show off like some blood clot, oh no. Oh.
Yes man, tell your business, I do, you know, like one know it.
Actually me not show off, actually me not show off, I love chat my business like you don't know about me. What the blood clot you don't know about me? You don't know something about me?
Damn your house nice as fuck.
You don't know something about me for my nice house. You don't know nothing about blood clot me.
So what
You don't know nothing about me. Nothing at all you don't know about me. I can't go in a blood clot house for because you can't have my bathroom on the ground.
So your house clean.
Tasty and bright. You don't know something about miss this little dirty girl. You gotta learn to clean out the cupboard them for all your hole. Clean out your hole first because you see fingernail them. Clean out your hole first. Go learn to clean out your pussy. You think I bling at this? You can't take no set for me.
Dyema, you know say Kartel sing boy your front out how much here now?
Yeah.
And him don't know say can't this the best.
Bathroom blood clot floor.
Hey, look at your bathroom night.
Oh.
Look how Kartel sing boy and then big top piece.
Tasty and bright.
Long time Kartel sing boy. When Kartel said Dyema, me need from 2010 vybz Kartel sing boy Dyema. Then they had nobody. From 2010, vybz Kartel said Dyema. Where's song name Dyema? Dyema. Where's song name Kartel sing boy? Dyema, where's song name Kartel sing boy? In Dyema? Well, I sang the name again.
Dyema body have the best designer.
Where name?
People now walk and show no things.
Dyema, your phone down. Where's song name Kartel sing?
The girl don't know nothing. When the girl got embassy and they ask her what she gonna do, she see a Roger invite her with her dunce bad self. Get a big one and a big one bumble wall.
Who is Roger? Here. Who is Roger? Roger live in England.
People them see a Roger invite her, the dunce bad girl. And the paper in front of the girl and the girl saying bright with all everything funny. When the people them send for the interview and call the big fuck out girl. The big fuck out girl. The girl have the woman name for the paper in front time and don't know the woman blood clot name and get turned down. And the girl banter blinga for no reason a blood clot. And when the girl reach Canada.
Yeah, bad mind so.
Hey, when the girl reach a blood clot England, the girl ride my wave. And my wave the girl ride. Nobody not deal with the blood clot girl and trees and no say me not hypocrite trees. And if me not like somebody and they talented me walking them forward.
Right.
And the wave the girl ride at England. Every jump me jump, she jump.
But nobody really know Khandy.
Nobody know them. Nobody blood clot know them so cool girl and maybe dirty why. One of the biggest dance in the world drop them at blood clot for me not to build nothing more. And who you gobble who blood clot, you dirty girl, Thanksgiving got a long time. Every day you come and gobble drop it. Drop your mama big hole in your mouth, man.
Drop it.
As she trouble me, not trouble the blood clot, girl, as she trouble me. Isaac, me not think you want to stay, but you're so easy that act.
No, me come out with me talk.
Yeah, watch out.
Remember the party where the...
The robot have something to say.
Go support your mother. Remember
The
over
robot?
Jabbas when me talk.
Robot, stop now, you move on the phone.
No to blood clot, this serious.
When I hear me?
Yes, stop now. No run, kind of freeze.
The robot.
A Jabbas party, though. A Jabbas party,
remember the
cussing game.
the robot come.
The cussing game one used to play.
Yeah.
The cussing game one used to play.
Yeah.
When she tell you to support your mother,
Yeah.
how we got it? Remember, man.
Remember Isaac, I mean, I used
like
the girl
the
and
energy
Roger
right for
beg me
them
do.
time, eh?
And Roger beg me do for answer the girl. So, yeah, robot attack, and the robot go.
I really something. Enough things. I have enough things to talk. I assume I mix up. From
They
the
better
whole,
mix up to the talking there, to the attacking blood clot there, so talk.
today are the talking there.
The robot mix up a tree program.
Yeah, you ready now?
Really program today.
System reset.
Cause let me tell you.
Set it.
May I tell you? Remember now, Khandy, before Khandy big and everybody know Khandy. Khandy used to up on one live and I play with it. Khandy get big, Khandy top accept people, Khandy start get hype. You understand? Hype I tell people to suck their mother and pay a bad mind energy. From there I go up on freedom, we literally talk about it. We see the shift and a bad mind alone cause everything we're going right now.
And then every time I saw the people go like I'm here come to Khandy. And a long time Khandy I come.
So many people, we are going to listen some more with Dyema officer and then we are going to go over Khandy because Dyema talk, you know, me never know see so far Dyema and Khandy thing I come from and so long them inner things. Me tell you know what you know, say one of the qualifications to become a TikToker is bad mind. If you don't have bad mind, it makes sense you become a TikToker. You have a bad mind because all of them bad mind one another. once them see that person they get things over them, the whole of them bad mind. You see me I say? Make me know what to think the people. We are going to listen what Dyema say some more and then we are going to go over Khandy and hear Khandy respond.
For me.
Khandy should have never call nobody.
A long time me the avoid Khandy. Oh, we got Chabba spot where the girl tell me if you go suck my master send man a blood clot prison. You remember? I mean I dig the blood clot. You remember Roger beg me like a baby if you answer the so-called girl.
Yeah.
And I said, Dyema, stop it. Stop it, Dyema, because she feel away. Me heal everybody and I heal the girl.
Remember?
Then, now me here you go. Robot, time here you go.
Me and Dyema left from Moby and a guy party, you know.
I remember
here you go. Here you go, Isaac. Even Isaac, I say, Dyema, Mr. Isaac, I lick me want lick down this. Because like, nobody do this, my mother come heal me in a real life. Because it's a real life at two different places.
Me, I'm more the type we're more reserved. If Mrs. Maria go on, I'm most like.
And Roger too. Lord, that's what you see Roger be a Roger cause Roger like set piece.
Remember,
I don't want nobody talk about. A long time the girl hate me. Because we are playing one regular blood clot game. Roger, yes, so. Out of the blues, the girl tell me because suck out me my trees. But not at all. After the girl tell me some man a prison, I'm say, I'm going to say to the girl, say, my pussy said a man a prison. Your baby father like how word they may use? Use one word, I remember the word when blood clot use.
Remember the day, man, remember.
I remember the word when use. And the girl start telling me if you go suck out my mother trees. With no reason at all, and that girl first diss me. Yeah, to be tell you, baby father like you have Down syndrome. Me say baby father like you adult. The girl start telling me if you go suck out my mama. I'm a pussy say I'm in a prison. I'm here all the girl have to do body if you look good. And right now she gonna do blood clot body. A long time the girl grudge rip my body.
And she grudge. And she grudge. And she grudge.
Khandy is the body here. And me can't tell you.
No, Dyema, go back and share body, Dyema.
Best design.
Go back and share body, Dyema. Yeah.
Dyema mind is steal them cut. You remember you have sugar.
No, me not have no sickness of blood clot. Cause the young boy them wants me and even for my breast no blood clot.
Yeah.
You see all down here. You see down here trees me I don't have nothing, you know. You see for me a Khandy kick off one time. Don't use me again and me don't used to play a game every day.
So we don't know when I get
don't request don't accept me so me don't.
Bust it up,
remove the followers off of me things.
Dyema, come here. Dyema, come on, you help me do a man. You can help me do a man. You say any man kiss Khandy.
Mr. Any boy kiss Khandy
so good like this. Like so what don't you do?
You big dirty drunk Kirby.
You ever sit down and kiss Khandy yet? Never.
Never kiss her.
Jackie.
You tell me where you ever sit down and kiss Khandy. Every time Khandy get close, down and shifting head.
But and of course, all the while.
True, have a C-screen record them.
Every time that's God said.
Give them the know. She don't know them style from the 90s.
True.
Early 90s.
Every time that's cut. No care how close you see them be. Soon as the close get too close, don't have shifting head.
Give them the You don't know that? Give them the know.
I mean never hear down your own Khandy yet a blood clot a Khandy alone one down here.
You couldn't come out for the blood clot. Then I don't know it's a be a judgment I got come for your mama.
Every minute the girl come out, the girl see me go on Freedom Street trees. I give them a $1 million blood clot walking bunny little girl me have sex walk. He burn the blood clot, girl. The girl say Nicki Minaj grow and I give everybody then turn the girl across Nicki Minaj. No blood clot reason. Like Khandy has somebody. Khandy has somebody. Khandy have blues clothes.
Promise me that me not say that bad man. I could have nothing else but bad man.
Yeah, what the girl go say? Yeah, what the girl go say? Oh, what the girl go say?
You said it. Everybody no mix up. Robot no mix up.
Come on, if you have little class.
You bad mind, no robot.
Time, my place, everything.
To bad mind, robot.
You don't drop on
You get that person out of
the bad man.
Engine oil change and clean.
Our engine oil want clean.
Engine oil and heart want clean.
From robot says that I saw it go because robot don't mix up.
Yeah, I'm blessed.
Engine oil and heart want clean. Robot take the stand, people. Robot just take the stand.
But me never yet one chat to blood clot, dirty Khandy. And Roger always a beg me to chat to Khandy, because when Khandy come to England, and Roger they beg peace. Can me tell Roger say me now use blood clot.
Stop, son of Dyema, you know me no like.
Me I beg you, Dyema,
know me no like war.
Yeah,
you know me no like war. So stop talk like say I just she alone. With everybody me no like war.
Yeah,
me
but,
no like
but the way all the girl cuss and say you don't like him, the girl shoot the blood clot. So cause one time I think you like the girl more than me.
Hear your feelings.
It's true.
Yeah, no, me no. But two mix up for man. I mean, my friend go party, I may tell the story.
You want mix up the money up to blood clot, you want to come eat out the robot and restore him. Go ahead.
But I not just know Dyema hate me. Look how much people, look up on blood clot Shay and Kitty name of Macallis today and them no jump on the chain. Cause Shay knows say a pum pum tight and Shay a good girl and Shay pum pum pretty and clean. Shay knows say she a tight one. Me still not like Kitty, but where you a jump on it for? If you jump on it and anybody jump on it, me back Brad. Or as much as I suck out if I thought my back yesterday, me back Brad. Can't take the man. Okay. Lane, thank you very much. Boy, me can't skin out, you know. Me can't skin out. Me soon can't skin out though, but I don't know. When I say me
Hey, one thing with them girls still, you know, as them make a money, so they can do body, you know, and them don't know where that thing I got. Yo, people, it's when you do your body, them girls don't know, so them have to maintain them body, you know, and enough money, for, you know what I mean, do maintain and span them body, and enough of them, what them do, go to body, and them do a business first. So if them ever fall off on TikTok, and not now go on, how them are going to maintain them body? Suppose them have to take out the silicone eventually. Where them are going to get money from? Well, them can do what them want to do still, but them have to know, say, them have to set a foundation first before them take them money and go to body. You see me, I say, because body have to maintain. You know what I mean? Let me know what they think, me people. And to the man them, I don't prefer the natural woman or the one them will go do them body. Leave your comment.
Every time I look at the same invitation, tell him to turn on him invitation now. Nah, some for Adam. You're very right. Nuff is my middle name. Oh, no, cause I guess I know. Let me tell you something. I just realize that the people them hate me. You understand? So no matter what me do and what me say, they still a go hate me. So, me a bust up every mumaras. Anything me want talk, me go talk. Anything. And me glad to me start meds enough for own really big. Any God Almighty thing me want talk, me go talk over here. Oh. I want to say one did that drag Nicki Minaj and say she a kill off the people them. No, when me say Nicki Minaj only give mix up people no turn down for me. So me say and Nicki Minaj link me this man and say she go give me gift. So she just come in and chat the while I go to. No. And soon I done me for Kartel and me and Kartel a link. Kartel we more know me down, you know. Oh, Kartel and Nicki Minaj more know me that one. She there in the chat. She alright, that's all. Gwaan Nix. Yeah, Nicki, cool. Alright, my girl, yeah. She so sent some. She alright, that's all. What? Achoo. Me man, nowadays everybody a disrespect the woman, you know. Everybody a disrespect the woman. Say the woman a walk over here. Say she a what they say she a sacrifice. She a sacrifice the rank of them what she give. And all Brit smart fi give her back her gift them. I know who the turn back. Uno but I put the pop practice, brother. Uno mad. Uno mad at me. Cause many things I'm mad but uno mad at me. Achoo. Go and go look when Naya them did that and the rest of the people them say. Cause I remember say them kind of people the Nicki did that give and busted, you know. I remember say the week after she give busted dead, you know. So everybody pan the media turn around and say as she kill them off, so she has sacrificed them. And now, true me say, alright, and Jayden, you know that me I tell us about a little batty boy where a woman beat her when I start beat up him girlfriend. Him, the come said, so him has Nicki Minaj sacrifice rank of them. And now when she take out her money and send him gift, him nobody did say it. And screen the card out there, so me wanna come stop me, cause I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck 1, I don't give a fuck 2. I don't give a fuck 3, I don't give a fuck 4. One time gone when me lick me did a whore. I don't give a fuck 5 and I don't give a fuck 6. Right now me just want a big long dick. I don't give a fuck 7 and I don't give a fuck 8. I don't give a fuck 9 and I don't give a fuck 10. A long time I tell me say me I make cock bend. Okay, things that me care I don't. Ooh. It's never go by designer body, I tell designer body, but no, don't do our body. Too late. See it there. You can't go and go comment and see it there. Too late. See it there. Rebel, I do my body. See it there. One designer body. I say rebel belly flatty. It flatty flat. And then them I go by designer body. But don't do our body, body don't do our body. Watch out, body be. Watch out. I have a belly solid, I have a belly flat. See everywhere. Yeah. I'm a back and tight. Yeah. I'm not put no fat and body because I'm still a body already. But see, they're not too late, but tell you. Whoa. Oi. We can't people do. Oh God. But can't have an idea. Girl, me busy a big fan last night. Me a big. And nobody not send me nothing for my birthday. Girl, I can't believe say most of the people them for my TikTok don't know say my birthday. I'm glad for you know car uno know. Una alone know say my birthday. Una alone knows it's my birthday. When I wake up a little bit of people tell me happy birthday. I true. But maybe I true me no maybe I true me no celebrate my birthday. That's why so nobody knows anymore. Yeah. I don't want to give me some money to go do my body. And designer body do the rest. Yeah. Big up my baby father and big up designer body. Yeah. Cute. I trim sister my belly long, you know. Yeah, some man like that to know have to keep. Him sister my belly long, so him give me money to go do my body. I'm going to buy my bracelet too. So I'm going in the box because I don't talk about that now. Thanks to them, keep them. I don't see me now. Listen, I man make him stay. So we can like this. I'm not going to over there. Boy. Sitting there coming on my life while I go, you know. Nicki Minaj coming on my life. I tell you so I can't watch people, you know. I don't see her. I don't see her. Oh, I see her while I go. Rebel. Rebel. The front part is neither. The front, when I get it, only back I get. Now I send you.
You do it, Titi?
No, I don't do it. Then say me can't do everything one time. Come back me, yes, so now go well snatch. Like if me do life work and sleep, come me go put the but I go put a silicone in it, but them I say me no need it. I just want one breastplate. Breastplate for reduction.
Come to me, tell us that me then tell about breastplate because them I go give you the anchor cut and you go your waist I go in a problem. You don't want no anchor cut.
You better go back 10 years, go take it out.
So every 10 year by 10 year, you know, save that the money that you do it. But anyways, happy birthday.
Let's bring it up.
Happy birthday and rest and drink your water. You need to rest.
Rebel, love me. You love me. You want to learn for my birthday now, please.
We give me for my blood clot birthday. Me are looking. Me make sure go look. Me make sure go looking at my chat and say, "Tell me happy birthday." You know, tell me happy birthday.
That was okay, pussy.
What Khandy just say? Khandy, mine Swiss League a big stone, you know, man. How you talk say? Although I really love girls still, you know, but you know, I mean, Dyema, you can't just say it's a big and brawling. People, them gyal nowadays, remember me tell you say, them freaky out. Ja know. Oh, you go find a wife in a them time when them girls stay so.
Alright, that's enough.
Just see you move.
Bye.
Me girl have the blood clot. Why? Oh God, me believe. Sister, I hear her. Sister, I go so. Yeah. Move out of me. Wait, take out the eyes. Come here, I want to choke.
Dirty pussy, I don't like you, dirty blood clot. I don't like you. I don't like you, dirty blood clot. Move answer, all big pussy blinger. I don't like blinger none tall. Big suckud blinger, I don't like you. Happy birthday, Khandy. Happy birthday. Khandy, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Khandy. Happy birthday to you. Don't lick out down your bottom. Don't lick out down your bottom. Don't lick out down your bottom. Happy birthday to Khandy. Bumba clot, big up Khandy pan her strong, you know. Khandy turned 51 today. You see it? Big up Khandy pan her strong, man, you know. Yeah, man. Khandy good, man, you know. But I don't like blinga for real. Blinga, I don't like blinga for real. That big suckud blood clot, dirty, stinking, rotten crotches blinga. I don't like that girl then on Tyler, see man. Hey, me say if I ever see blinga Jamaica man, me box done that. I swear to God, me not like blood clot miss blinga none tall. That woman there, you see that woman there, bro? John, me no know, John, what do you want to take him down? I don't know how me gonna bring him back. Yo, take down the blood clot, stinking, dirty, nasty, cranny, blood clot, bunk bed woman, you know, man. Woman in your blood clot house look like you fucking homes where me a blood clot come from. Big suckwood blinger, I don't like your dirty blood clot. Suck your mother blinger and a brawling me say it. Better know that. Love hype too much, man. I love review people's story. Go and go review when you suck out police batty wall, man. When you spit in a blood clot, police batty wall and a lick it up back. Dirty big stinking suckwood blinger. When you use a teeth them and a blood clot, pick out blood clot police batty wall with the teeth them and I take out the ear them one by one out of police batty wall. You nobody has to look a big suckwood blinger. Cause suck your mother, man. And that's why I have to rate Vany, you know. Cause Vany kinda go through what we are go through. You see it and understand, bro. So if me and Fabi go through something, dog, I wanna feel say a prank, bro. I can't prank, bro. Why the fuck would I scratch up my nice beauty and my nice neck and my nice face and my nice forehead just for run like a prank? I mean, I get no money off it. Remember, say me done rich already, you know. Beauty first. I pick beauty. I rather beauty. I like beauty. I'm beautiful. still chat. And so say something about Gwaan, you know? And just look over for something, man. The soul say something, man. And the soul say something, man. I'm very beautiful, and no one can take that from me. I look at myself and I said I'm beautiful. None of you pussy all can take that from me. I don't give a fuck what y'all want to talk in the comment, but I know that I'm fucking beautiful. I look very fine. I look very beautiful and very handsome. None of y'all can take that from me. None of y'all. Big up y'all boss, big up Jigo. Hey. Hey. Jayden, my big friend, suck your mother girl. Who me know ya man? Nicki Minaj know your big girl. Suck your mother man. Me and your friend man. Suck out your mother man. Feed the foreigner them, feed the foreigner them. I'm telling you, feed the foreigner them. You see foreigner them when them the blood clot foreign. Just one of the rascal foreign, I don't have nobody for chat to. I don't have nobody for rub up on a blood clot. I don't come chat to we as Jamaican, and we keep on the rascal company up there. I don't come at Jamaica. It don't come go like you don't know the man them. But suck out to no matter bro, let me tell you no. You hear that? Because when they are foreign, you don't come go like know the people them and act nice and them thing there. And when you come Jamaica, you come go like you don't know nobody.